Some people want high-end hotels with all the whistles and bells. I just want a cup of coffee and this. I have to say, this high-side coffee is not bad. I'm a Starbucks girl all the way, French press, strong, make your toes curl, put some hair on your chest type of girl. But this isn't bad. I mean, I'm probably gonna need another cup when I get home, but this is doing the job, definitely. Wow, what a way to wake up. And you heard the river the whole night, which was like cool because I always have to have white noise to sleep. And so this was definitely pretty cool. Yep, and our makeshift tent. Thanks to me for getting the poles. How stupid. So lesson learned on this trip is if you're gonna forget anything, don't forget the tent poles. Seriously. I mean, I was all for sleeping out on the cot, but with no tent. But if it rained, we would have been not in a good position at all. So, lesson learned. I have no idea how they got missed because I had the tent all rolled up together and thought I had everything in a pile. And the poles are in another little green bag somewhere else. I always keep my camp stuff together, so I don't know how or why they got separated. My other tent that I'm taking the babes right out is the Nemo tent, and the poles are in the bag. But I'm definitely going to check and make sure that that is the situation that I think it is, because that would be bad. Anyway, just enjoy this view for a minute. Yeah, we got it. Because we got to go soon. We'll pack up and get back on the road. Get home and do some adulting. Boo! Lifesaver. You're lucky. So if you have a BMW like I do, this is the setup that I do to carry all my stuff. I have my clothes in here and maybe some in my hygiene stuff. This is the stuff I need to get to when I stop. And then on the other side is all my kitchen and food. My camping stuff is in this Tortec extra large. I think this is an extra large bag. I don't know if it tells me how many liters. Yeah. Yep. Get that. Get it. Is it a bug? No, it doesn't tell me how many liters this is, but I think this is quite large, extra large, extra large bag. So I have 40 liters. Erich's, his OSAH bags are 40 liters. He has 2 of them. So these are the rock straps. There's this bar here, and then I put the rock strap on one end, the longer one, and then the shorter, stretchy part is going to go in the front. This bag has D-rings, and I'm going to run the rock straps through the D-rings. So just like this. D-ring in the back, and then I D-ring in the front, let me bring it closer so you can see what I did. So it's attached here, right, with the loop. D-ring in the back. Run it through, D-ring in the front. Not sure I did a good job showing you that. And then all you do is clip it. That's how easy these straps are. Give it a good cinch, and then you just tie it off so you don't have that thing flapping around. Do a nice little kind of a slip knot type of thing. Those are my boats and skills. Not really. Never had boats and skills, even though I did boats and made stuff. I'm going to do it on the exact same side, or the opposite side. Run it through D-ring 1 in the back. Extend it because it's not long enough, which is really nice to give you lots of room on these rock straps. And then D-ring in the front, clip, cinch. This bag ain't going anywhere. And then you just do your little slip knot to keep it from going anywhere. I have traveled many places like this and I have not lost anything yet, knock on wood. And then I attach my sleeping bag to this bag and then I net it, so if the sleeping bag does come undone for some reason, at least the net will hold it there until I stop to fix it. So I got this nice cabiner, according to my South Carolina folks. I got my cabiner here. I'm just gonna cabine it right to this little strap. Bam. Done. You see me? So I got this little net from Amazon. It was super reasonable. And see, if I left it without the net, that would suck. And I mean, when I'm riding, this is comfortable. It's like having one of them pillows that you sit in bed with. You know what I'm saying? Because normally I don't have like a nice Harley Davidson, what are they, those seats they got when they go long distance. Also, when you're doing this, I'm really dumb putting this in my face like this, but be really careful it doesn't snap and get you in the eyeball. Alright, that's it, man. Easy peasy. It's my setup. Nice. It's nice and tacked down. All my video stuff will go in this bag as well, so I can get to it. And getting ready to get dressed to get on the road. I hope you liked my first camping video. I love camping. I've been doing it a long time. I've just started moto camping, and it's like two of my favorite worlds colliding. It's so much fun adding them together. And it's fun making the videos and talking about it. And I love watching the videos that other people are making about it. I just pretty much can't get enough of it. You know, and I'm 50 and don't know how much longer, you know, I have to do it, you know. So I try my best to do as much of it as I can, you know. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the scenery of this beautiful, beautiful place with our gracious host, Rain. And wow, she's just a beautiful person. Just really was accommodating, and I can't say enough about her. What a story she has. And to open up her beautiful little property to people to enjoy it with her is just, I'm just very grateful. And so thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you watching my videos and supporting me. You know, if you liked the content, I know my channel is very wishy-washy because I do all kinds of different stuff. But I try my best to make it as interesting as possible. And so if you liked it, hit like and subscribe, and I hope you come back and see what's up next. Babe's Ride Out is next week, which is pretty awesome. If you don't know about it, it's a rally to get women motorcyclists together in one spot to go camping for a weekend. And I've met some of the most beautiful, amazing women on motorcycles on that trip, and I literally am going to make that my annual thing for the rest of my life if I can. It's just such an amazing event. It's doing really good things, and it's really important for women to come together, because when we do come together, we're like, you know, like Wonder Twin powers activate, form of this energy that's amazing. And that's what it's all about, is women should always support women, no matter how much we hating on you because you're so pretty or in the best shape or whatever. We should just be there for one another, and that's what this event is all about. So have an amazing day, and thank you so much for stopping by. Peace out.